Hello, I'm Dionysia Leolei, your branding expert. So did you know that personal branding has 3 vital steps? First of all, first step is to identify your brand. So define your brand. What are your values, your strengths, your unique characteristics that you can bring to the world? Second step is to be able to communicate this brand. In this step, you will create a communication strategy and visibility plan. Because if you have a great brand, but people do not know about it, there is no, you do not really exist. In the first step, you will be able to manage your brand. In the manage your brand part, you already know who you are, how you want to communicate who you are to the people, and finally you will manage it through your network. And this is a really important step because your network will help you to be consistent, and this is the trick. So let me know if you have any questions about personal branding, and feel free to tweet, share and like this video. Thank you.